Okay, let's do fast talk. Sex or chocolate?
Sex.
Sex. Favorite possession?
Style dog.
Style dog. Lights on, lights off.
Let's on.
Spit or swallow?
Swallow.
Swallow. Okay, that's good. Deep throat or kiss?
Kiss.
Kiss. You swallow? You said swallow, right? Okay, that's good. That's why the black guy said,
Yeah.
you know, careful. It's not good swallow. Well, do swallow all the time because it's easy to get some, ano, you know.
Yeah.
Be careful. Top or bottom?
Bottom.
How old are you when you got your first blow?
15.
Filipino guys?
Yes.
First blood?
First blood.
How old are you when you got your first blood?
13.
13? Yung unang dugo mo? 13?
13.
Okay. What makes you horny?
I don't know.
Hindi mo alam kung anong nagpapalibog sa'yo?
Hindi.
You don't know. Are you horny all the time?
No.